Alright, so here we are in the old camper, all set up. This is Bunny's bed. Thanks for the playpen, Jack. And here is the front door. Ty's hat. We've got our fridge all ready. And hi, Olivia. Hi. And there's Miss Snooey. It is way past her bedtime and she does not care because she's watching her dad light a fire. Right? What's Dad doing? What's Dad doing? Olivia, what are you doing? Are you dancing? There's Daddy. There's Dad. Olivia, do you like the camper? What do you think? This is our bed. And yeah, it's a pretty good time. Say night-night, Booey. Night-night. Night-night. Yeah.